All right, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Andrea Purcell and I'm a naturopathic doctor. I see some familiar faces and some not so familiar. I'm not an MD, a DO, a DC, or a PhD. I am an ND, naturopathic doctor. And what that means is that I specialize in natural and alternative medicine. So here in California, I'm licensed as a primary care doctor, and my primary goal when I treat you is to treat you without drugs or surgery using natural medicine. Natural medicine often has the other side of the story. And tonight is no exception. You will hear what the other side of the story is when it comes to boosting your immune system and regaining your health, fighting off colds, flu, viruses, bacteria, and even funguses. Influenza is the microbe. We are the milieu. And so the microbe cannot live without us. And the microbe will determine how hospitable we are. Are you with me? Okay. So what we want to do when it comes to boosting our immune systems, right, that's the topic of this lecture tonight, is to make sure that we are inhospitable for something to live off of us, right? Viruses, bacteria, funguses, they're all opportunistic. They take the opportunity when our systems are hospitable or our immune systems are low to find a breeding ground and live there. If we have proper nutrition and we eat really good fresh food and we get enough sleep and we balance our stress because our lives are becoming more stressful, not less stressful, we become less hospitable for something to want to grow, right? And then on top of those things, we can boost our immune system with natural antivirals and things that I'll get to in the rest of the lecture. And then all of a sudden, the virus is going to pass us by and go to the next guy in line because maybe his system isn't as strong as ours. And so when we talk about it, we need to build from a strong foundation, a pyramid, if you will. And the base of the pyramid is always going to be good nutrition, sleep, am I balancing my stress? And then we build from there. So we never want to come in with supplements or special cough syrup or anything from the top if the foundation of our pyramid is not there. And I know that this resonates with you because I hear this all the time. It resonates with my patients. Well, you know, I wasn't getting good sleep, or I was really burning the candle at both ends, or I had a lot of stress and I just really didn't take the time to feed myself, so I was just eating whatever was on the go. And then, bam, 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 opportunistic infection comes in, you become hospitable. In the process of our body trying to fight off the viral infection, say in our nose or sinus passages, our nose and sinus membranes, they swell, right? So that means that the ability for things to drain in and out becomes occluded. So normal nasal secretions then get stuck in there, right? So sinuses are swelling, fluids can't go in and out as easily as before, right? So then the fluids that are in there, they get stuck, they become a little stagnant, maybe we can't clear things as well. That's when the bacteria come. Vaccinations or antiviral therapy can be useful for cold and flu. They're not the whole story because they have limited function. Whereas when I look at what natural medicine has to offer for cold and flu, to me it seems like a smorgasbord of things. Oh, you've got this going on and you've got left lower lobe wheezing and maybe we should do this, and oh, you've got those enlarged tonsils and we can try this, and there's just so many more options when it comes to natural medicine for antiviral treatment. And it, you know, and my motto is, well, why don't we just copy nature? Because nature provides for us, and the closer we can eat with nature and recognize the gifts that it provides and use those for our health, the stronger and the better we will be.